Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about the endings of your story. So, we're going to talk about the endings, boys and girls. And sometimes when you have a pattern book, it's fun to have a surprise ending to your pattern book. Now, when I read to you Dogs Learn Every Day, there wasn't really a surprise ending. It did say Dogs Learn at Dog School. That's kind of funny. So, maybe that was kind of the surprise ending, right? So I'm going to show you how a pattern book can have a fun surprise ending. So here's a book. Maybe you've heard it before. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Oh, Mousy took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Couldn't be. Then who? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Kitty took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Couldn't be. Then who? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Puppy took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Couldn't be. Then who? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Blackbird took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Couldn't be. Then who? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Raccoon took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Couldn't be. Then who? Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? Owl took the cookie from the cookie jar. Who, me? Yes, you. Couldn't be. Then who? Here we go. Here's the surprise. Who took the cookie from the cookie jar? We each took a cookie from the cookie jar. Yum. Boys and girls, do you see how that last page broke the pattern? Right? So they all took a cookie and then it said yum. So boys and girls, you can do that in your own pattern book. You can have a surprise ending where the ending breaks the pattern and it's a surprise. So I'm going to try that with my bike riding book. I'm going to think of an ending that's kind of a surprise ending. Uh-oh, Daisy Dog wants a treat. No, Daisy. So the beginning is, I like to ride on trails. I like to ride in campgrounds. I like to ride to the ice cream shop. I like to ride to the beach. So boys and girls, I'm trying to think. How can I think of a surprise ending? How could I think of a surprise ending to my story about the ice cream? Or not the ice cream, but the bike riding. What would be funny? Maybe, this is what I'm thinking. After I ride my bike all those places, maybe I'm tired and I need a nap. So how about my last one? My last page says, I'm tired. I need a nap. And that would be kind of a fun ending. And I could like draw a picture of me, right? Maybe on a bed taking a nap from all that bike riding, right? So boys and girls, you're going to think of how you can write a fun surprise ending at the end of your story. So I was also thinking about, remember I thought about writing a book about what I like to cook in the kitchen. So I might write, I like making cookies. I like making spaghetti. I like making bowls of ice cream. I like making pizza. But then, how can I end that in a funny way? Why don't you think of something? If I did all that cooking in the kitchen, you know what I was thinking about? I was thinking about all the dirty dishes I would have. So maybe I could write, I like making pizza. I like making cookies. I like making big bowls of ice cream. I like making spaghetti. And then I think I'm going to end my book with, oh no, dirty dishes. Right? That would be kind of a fun surprise ending. So boys and girls, your job today is to think about an ending that's a fun surprise ending, but it has to make sense, right? Like I was tired from bike riding, so that's why I needed a nap, and it broke my pattern. With my kitchen one, had all those things I like to cook, and then I thought, oh, there'd probably be dirty dishes. So that's how I ended it. Like, oh no, dirty dishes, right? So think of a fun way you could end your story that's a surprise that breaks the pattern. I bet your friends are going to love to read your books, especially the endings. So make it really fun and make it a surprise, but make sure it fits your story. Okay, have a great day writing, boys and girls.